How much do you really know about the vagina? There are plenty of misconceptions floating around, but today we're here to set the record straight. Let's begin by addressing one of the most common misconceptions: the idea that the vagina is one singular part. In reality, the vagina is a complex system consisting of multiple parts, each serving a unique function. It's more than just a singular entity. It's a carefully coordinated ensemble of structures working together to perform a myriad of tasks, from reproduction to pleasure and beyond. Another widespread myth is the belief that the vagina and the vulva are one and the same. This is not true. The vulva is the external part of the female genitalia, including the labia, the clitoris, and the opening of the vagina. The vagina, on the other hand, is an internal structure, a canal that leads from the vulva to the uterus. So while the two are closely related, they are not interchangeable terms. Now let's talk about the myth that the vagina needs to be cleaned with special products. This is a misconception that has been perpetuated by the beauty and health industry for years. The truth is, the vagina is self-cleaning. It maintains a balance of good bacteria and pH levels that keep it healthy. Using soaps, douches, or other cleaning products can disrupt this balance, leading to infections or other health issues. Simple warm water is more than sufficient for cleaning the external parts like the vulva. Finally, there's the myth that vaginas should look a certain way or fit a specific aesthetic standard. This couldn't be further from the truth. Vaginas, like people, come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. There's no such thing as a normal vagina. Each one is unique, and that's something to be celebrated. Now that we've debunked some of the most common misconceptions, it's time to dive deeper into the fascinating world of the vagina. The vagina is a complex organ with a simple yet efficient structure. When we talk about the anatomy of the vagina, we are referring to several different parts, each with its own distinct role and function. At the top of the vagina is the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects it to the vagina. Picture it as a small, donut-shaped structure. The cervix has a crucial role in reproduction. It allows sperm to enter the uterus, and during childbirth expands to allow the baby to pass through. But that's not all. The cervix also produces mucus that changes throughout the menstrual cycle, aiding in the process of conception. Moving down, we find the vaginal canal, a flexible passageway that stretches and expands. It's a marvel of design, able to accommodate everything from a tampon to a newborn baby. It's also the route through which menstrual blood leaves the body. The walls of the vaginal canal are lined with soft tissue and mucous membranes, which keep the vagina clean by producing a mild discharge. The vagina is also home to a community of bacteria known as the vaginal microbiome. These microorganisms help maintain the vagina's pH balance, protecting it from infections. Now, let's talk about the connection to the uterus. The uterus, often referred to as the womb, is where a fertilized egg grows into a fetus. It's a pear-shaped organ nestled between the bladder and the rectum. The uterus and the vagina are connected by the cervix, creating a pathway for sperm to travel up and for a baby to travel down during childbirth. It's important to remember that the vagina isn't an isolated structure. It's part of a larger system, the female reproductive system, which also includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, and external genitalia. Each part of this system plays a role in menstruation, sexual activity, and reproduction. As we've seen, the vagina is more than just a single part. It's a well-coordinated system of various components working together. The vagina isn't just about sex and childbirth. It has several crucial functions that contribute to a woman's overall health. Let's start with menstruation. Every month or so, the uterus sheds its lining, resulting in a period. This natural process is a sign that the reproductive system is functioning as it should. It's the body's way of preparing for a possible pregnancy each month. But menstruation isn't just about fertility. It also plays a role in hormone regulation, which can impact mood, energy levels, and even bone health. Next, let's talk about sexual intercourse. Yes, the vagina is indeed a part of the sexual response cycle, but it's more than just a conduit for pleasure. It's a complex organ that can expand and contract to accommodate penetration. and it's responsible for the production of natural lubrication. This lubrication not only facilitates sexual activity, but it also helps to prevent infections by maintaining a healthy pH balance. Then, there's childbirth. The vagina is designed to stretch and accommodate the birthing process. This incredible feature allows for the passage of a baby from the uterus into the world. It's a marvel of nature that underscores the vagina's role in human reproduction. But one of the most remarkable functions of the vagina is its self-cleaning ability. That's right, the vagina maintains its own ecosystem, often referred to as the vaginal microbiome. This ecosystem is composed of various bacteria, many of which are beneficial and help to ward off infections. This self-cleaning process is why doctors often advise against dousing or using other internal cleaning products, as these can disrupt the natural balance of the microbiome. The vagina also plays a role in urinary health. The urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body, is located close to the vagina. This proximity means that good vaginal health can help prevent urinary tract infections. So, as you can see, the vagina has a variety of important roles in the female body. Maintaining the health of your vagina is crucial for your overall well-being. But what does that truly entail? Let's delve in. One of the most significant steps you can take towards ensuring vaginal health is scheduling regular medical checkups. These are not just for when you're experiencing discomfort or unusual symptoms. Regular screenings can catch any potential issues early, making them easier to address. It's like that old saying, prevention is better than cure. Next, let's talk about diet. Yes, what you eat can directly impact your vaginal health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help maintain a healthy pH balance, reducing the risk of infections. Probiotics, found in foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, are also known to promote vaginal health by boosting the good bacteria in your body. But it's not just about what you put into your body, it's also about what you don't. Certain products can be harmful to your vagina, disrupting its natural balance. These include douches, certain types of soap, and even some types of underwear. Always opt for gentle, unscented soaps and breathable cotton underwear when possible. Lastly, practicing safe sex is paramount to maintaining vaginal health. This means using protection during sexual activity to prevent sexually transmitted infections and getting regular screenings if you're sexually active. Remember, it's not just about preventing unwanted pregnancies. It's also about protecting your overall health. So to recap, regular checkups, a balanced diet, avoiding harmful products, and safe sex are all key to maintaining a healthy vagina. It's a holistic approach, one that takes into account your entire lifestyle and habits. And why is this so important? Because your vaginal health can influence your overall health in a multitude of ways. It can impact your menstrual cycle, your sexual health, and even your ability to have children. It's not an isolated part of your body. It's a vital part of you. By taking care of your vagina, you're taking care of your overall health. Now that we've learned so much about the vagina, it's time to summarize our key points. We started our journey by debunking several myths. We clarified that the vagina is not an open cavity, but a potential space that can expand and contract. We also highlighted the fact that it's perfectly normal for vaginas to have a certain smell. It's not supposed to smell like flowers or fruits, but simply like a vagina. We also tackled the myth that all vaginas look the same, affirming that there's a wide range of normal when it comes to appearance. Next, we delved into the anatomy of the vagina. We explored its structure, beginning with the vulva, the external part, and then going deeper into the internal parts like the vaginal canal, the cervix, and the uterus. We learned how each part plays a significant role in the overall function of the vagina. Speaking of functions, we discussed how the vagina serves multiple purposes. From menstruation to sexual intercourse and childbirth, it's a highly versatile organ. We also touched upon the role of the vagina in maintaining the balance of healthy bacteria, which is crucial for overall vaginal health. And of course, we couldn't leave without discussing the importance of maintaining a healthy vagina. We emphasized the need for regular checkups, the importance of a balanced diet and exercise, and the value of using gentle, unscented products for personal hygiene. We also underlined the importance of open conversations about vaginal health to break the stigma and promote understanding. In essence, we've taken a comprehensive look at the vagina, from debunking myths to understanding its anatomy and functions, and the importance of keeping it healthy. It's a part of the body that deserves as much care and respect as any other. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding and caring for your own body. Stay informed, stay healthy,